Do you want to explode your social media growth with viral content? Imagine turning any YouTube video into attention-grabbing shorts, TikTok clips, or Instagram reels in seconds, all for free with unlimited possibilities. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tools Corner. Today we have got an insane AI tool that's a game changer for content creators. With this tool, you can take any trending video and repurpose it into viral short clips across all platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, you name it. And the best part, it's completely free and with unlimited generations. I'm so excited to use this for my new channel, and I can't wait to see you what you'll create with it. The link is in the description, so let's dive in. So just pick your favorite video, but note that it has to be under 30 minutes. I'm choosing this. Coming back to the tool, just paste your link, and there are two types of videos you can generate. First one is trailer, and my favorite is topic clips. You can also choose a number of topics. That also means that the number of videos you will be generating at the end. You can also select the duration, ratio. Since I'm generating for YouTube Shorts, I'll be going with 9:16, and I'll hit on submit. And you can see it has generated 3 videos with different topics. And the best part is it also gives you captions. Along with it, you can just download it from here or here. And you've also got the script for this. Isn't it cool? Now I believe this is a game changer. You can take any popular or trending video and make shorts with it. Imagine making shorts with comedy videos or finance niche or with any other popular niche. At AI Tools Corner, I bring you the best AI tool to boost your content creation. If you found this tool useful, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.